In this video, I will show you how to find people near you on Instagram. Now, all we have to do is to go to the search button right here and then click on the search bar and search for your place or the place that you reside in. Let's say New York. Now we just have to search for it and then go to the places right here. Let's say New York, New York. And as you can see, we will be able to see the post that was made in New York, New York, a city right here. Let's say I want to go to the Metropolitan Museum of Art. I can just go there and I will be able to see posts that was tagged on that location, and I will be able to see posts that people of that location have posted. So as you can see, this is how you will be able to find the people near you on Instagram. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you soon.